Hey everyone, welcome to the channel She Speaks. In this vlog, I'm going to take you to a place of which I was talking in my earlier vlog. And the place which we are heading to is Rudranath. Yes, it's a 23 kilometers trek. 23 kilometer one-way trek. And I don't think that it's going to be a cakewalk. I can just make out that it's going to be really tough. You can see some ladies stepping in. They are stepping towards the mountain to cut grasses just to feed their animals. This is one of their daily routine, their daily chore. See the path here. You can see the path. It is not even. It is an unmetalled one. The stairs are not paved properly. There are just broken stairs. See, when the path is not proper, here the difficulty begins. But pebbles. We will still somehow manage it. Here you can take this ride as well. कितना?
4,000 rupees.
4,000 rupees. You can take this ride for 4,000 rupees. So this is our first stoppage here. We have stopped here for having something. This is my friend. Say hi.
Hello.
This is my husband.
Paridev. I believe you guys are absolutely fine.
Okay, so we are having some tea, some bread, some peanut butter and some biscuits, some green tea. We have a lot of stuff with us. This is the small hotel over here. Uncle जी, एक बार हाय बोल दो कैमरा में.
जी बोलो.
हेलो बोल दो एक बार. हेलो सबको.
Hello.
You can even have some space to even like spend a night or something over here if you are really tired. See, he's cooking tea. You can have here everything. Dal, chawal, Maggi, prantha, everything over here. Uncle, आपका नाम क्या है?
Gajendra Singh.
Okay, he is the man here. Gajendra Singh. Negi. Okay. Bye, uncle. Thank you for. Oh my God! You have started your fitness session here in the jungle. Dikshant, this might scare me, but not the animals.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh my God. यहाँ पे भी सिखाओ यार. फिर ये करके दिखाओ. ये तो स्ट्रेचिंग ढंग से हुई है ना सुबह इसलिए. बस.
See this whole path. It is just between the nature. There are these trees all around you, and you can just listen to the sound of the nature. And you can see till the last, the path is just like this only. Like this. There are no proper stairs, no proper path. It's just like this. But this path has its own joy. Yes, it is taking a lot of energy to move ahead, but that's fine. If you have such nice views around you, the nature keeps pushing you to go ahead. I would like to give you a piece of advice that when you are traveling upward, please carry as less luggage that you can, and please try to walk with your mouth closed and by taking deep breath. What happens with this is you get control on your breath and it saves a lot of energy.
और चलते रास्ते में एक छोटा सा
When you live in cities and then you go to a very secluded place, these small things like the water spring over here, they are very astonishing for you.
वहीं से आ रहा है और ये यहाँ जा रहा है. पूरा आगे तक है.
So this is our next stoppage, our second stoppage. This is the name here. The name of this place is Pung Bugyal. See, look at the beauty over here. It's just green and lush. This place has reminded me of the movie that many of you have watched, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The place was just similar to this only, all green. Here for like 10-15 minutes we'll have something here and then we'll resume our journey. It's very, very, very sunny over here, very sunny. But when there's pain, then only there's gain. So we have stopped here for our breakfast. In breakfast we are having chapati, dal and tea. This is my energy drink over here. And the place where we have to go is that mountain. You can see, it seems like it's very close, but it's like very, very far.
It's not, yeah.
And the next stoppage will be like after 7 to 8 kilometers. So for that we need energy. So that's why we are having a complete breakfast. See the life over here. This is the family that lives here. Whenever you come, if you want to stop here, you can reside at this place. They have mattresses over here, and that's the small washroom over there, and this is their kitchen. It's a very different experience here, very different. Now we have crossed the jungle part, and I guess you can see that green area. That was the place where we had our breakfast, and after that we didn't stop anywhere, and just see the jungle which we have crossed. Everyone is busy making their videos.
Happy and busy.
We have covered 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers in mountains. It seems like it's like very, very, very long distance. We had started at around 7:30. Right now it's 1:30, and for last 6 hours we have been just walking and walking. So at every kilometer you feel like giving up, like it's very tough, how we can do it, but it's just the game of your mind. You just need to push yourself that yes, I have come here to visit the temple of Lord Shiva, and by taking his name you can easily cover the difficulties that you will face. That is only I can say. A trek involves your physical as well as your mental strength. So just to build that strength, you need to intake food. So after the breakfast, we have stopped here to have our lunch. In our lunch, we are having dal bhat. In Pahadi's language, dal bhat is dal and rice.
तो यहाँ से अभी करके खा पी के निकलते हैं हम लोग.
This was another Bugyal, Lviti Bugyal. We decided not to stay here, as in me and Dikshan decided. Rahul is still over there, and we have just stopped here just to make you see the view. See.
What are these plants?
No idea. Like, yeah, but they are looking like little thorny. Let's see. We have to go to that point. Everyone is saying that it will be taking you just an hour. Let's see how much time it takes.
And moreover, lack of oxygen will make it harder for us
Yeah.
to trek as well.
That is the only thing that is like really stopping us.
Not stopping, yes. I mean,
Yeah.
actually, I'm very much excited because of this, so that I'll be able to, experience how it feels actually. If you're not getting enough
Pain in
oxygen,
legs is
how
like-
can you manage that?
Okay, but the difficult part is this
The breathing.
oxygen level.
Oxygen
yes,
thing,
breathing
no?
level.
That's what I
yes.
want to experience actually, and I was pretty much excited. I want to experience how it will feel.
Okay, now we are moving from here. And just to keep us motivated, me and Dikshant has decided that we will stop like after playing 5-6 songs. It is like giving yourself a not benchmark,
milestone kind of thing.
Yes, because you won't be stopping before the 5-6 songs stops. So it is.
It's motivational,
Yeah.
and moreover, it's working for us. So,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
a win-win.
So we have stopped the music because if we will
Of the
play,
copyright issue,
yeah,
yes.
because of the copyright issue. Now we are going to just start the music, and only after 5-6 songs we will be stopping. Let's see how far we can go.
And not just this, in fact, I mean, it can give you an idea that instead of music, you can watch your series or shows, whatever you want to do, in between your breaks. That can keep you going.
Yeah,
And what better place to watch a series than this?
yes.
Right?
And then you need to find your own motivation.
Yeah.
We find our motivation in songs.
In
You can
music,
have your
yeah.
own motivation in any form. The
Music
breathing,
has always been an
Yeah.
important part in our life.
breathing is getting very difficult. A trek is not restricted to just an adventurous thing, nor it is restricted to any age group. As you can see, there were many elderly people also who had completed this trek very successfully. And as soon as we saw them in our way, it just gave a little pump, yes, that if they can do, then at least we can try to complete it. I can't even manage to speak. At many point of time I thought that we should rest somewhere, but can you see this flag? This flag kept me going. I thought better to stop at the destination only. And when I was crossing the Liti Bugyal, a person came across and he said that the last 1 kilometer will going to be very difficult, but that was the kick in my head. I decided that how can one decide for me that the difficulty is right up there. Thereafter I didn't stop, I just went on, because wherever you go or wherever you are, you should have faith in your willpower and should not underestimate by what the other person says.
With mountains
Our dinner
and
time has started. Staying in
live counter लगेगा हमारा
Bugyal does not cost you much. It costs you around 400 to 500.
तो ठंडी हालत खराब हो रही है भाई यहाँ पे। अगर मनीष भाई नहीं होते तो आज बचते नहीं। बताऊंगा कैसे।
Very cold. You can see I'm wrapped in a blanket, but I'm just out just to see the view of the stars here. I'm very amazed with such views. Wherever there is a full moon or stars in the sky, I just love gazing at them. Right now, I wish I could show you the sky right now. It's like full of stars, full. It's very amazing, very amazing. It's like, had there been not be so cold here. I would have like sat outside for a while, but it's just amazing. It's like worthwhile coming out and just watching the stars. It's amazing, just amazing. You can't see such a star. You can't experience a stargazing at in Delhi. Not possible. Never ever. It's just amazing. Very nice. Superb. Wow. Good morning, everyone. So now we have begun our next quest. That is, we are now off to Rudranath. Finally, after taking a sleep for like 7 to 8 hours. Now it's like 5:30 in the morning. We have started our trek. Let's see till what we reach there. We are planning to reach there before that Aarti. Yes, we really want to see that Aarti. So for that only we have started our trek this early in the morning. We could have started it later on also, but just to see the Aarti, we have started this trek so early. Let's see what happens, at what time we reach. Look at the view. Being away from city life and finding yourself in middle of mountain is very mesmerizing. We started our journey at 5:30. It's 7:50 in the morning. We have reached our last stoppage before the temple. It's Pitradhar. It was only like 2 kilometers, and for 2 kilometers it took us this much time. The trek was totally steep. It was very steep. This is Pitradhar. You can have a look of this. It is rightly said that after the most difficult time, you get the best view. Witnessing this stillness, only one thing came to my mind, that how can something look so beautiful? What I witnessed through my eyes and what you are seeing in this video are two different things.
पर्यटन दिवस था उस दिन, तो उस दौर में हमें
He is a cyclist here.
और हमारे साथ हैं
He is being sponsored by Uttarakhand government just to spread the awareness about Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao.
अप्रॉक्सिमेट टाइमिंग होगी
It really feels special
एंजॉय करेंगे
that a government
काफी
thinks
सुंदर से किया
so much about
पूरा
spreading awareness about women empowerment.
और हम लोग भी टूरिज्म को प्रमोट करेंगे,
These small
टूरिज्म को
initiatives really matters.
थैंक यू। एक फोटो खींच देना।
And this is the temple, the Rudranath temple. The reason why I chose to come here is because I am a true believer of Lord Shiva. I have utmost faith in him. And this journey has been the most gracious journey of my life. Throughout the journey, I kept on thinking that as soon as I reach the temple, I will ask God to give me this and that. But when I reached the temple, everything just ceased. It was just me and the God.
केदारं मध्यमं तुंगं रुद्रं कल्पेश्वरं तथा पंचकेदार स्मरते नित्यं महापातकनाशनम। केदारनाथ, तुंगनाथ, मध्यमेश्वर, रुद्रनाथ और कल्पेश्वर, ये भगवान शिव के पंच केदार है। केदार का अर्थ होता है क्षेत्र, जहाँ पर भगवान शिव के किसी न किसी अंग की स्थापना है, वो केदार माना जाता है। तो बात उस समय की है जब पांडवों पर गोत्र हत्या गुरु हत्या का दोष लग गया था। धर्मो रक्षते रक्षता, धर्म की रक्षा के लिए भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने महाभारत का युद्ध रचा था, जिसमें पांडवों ने भी भूमिका निभाई और कौरवों ने भी भूमिका निभाई। साथ ही साथ परब्रह्म भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने भी उस महाभारत के दिव्य युद्ध में अपनी परम भूमिका निभाई थी। तो गोत्र हत्या का दोष लगने के कारण पांडवों को मुक्ति प्राप्त नहीं हो रही थी, क्योंकि स्वजन का उन्होंने स्वयं हत्या की थी। ये दोष उन पे था, गोत्र की हत्या का दोष था, स्वयं गुरुजनों की हत्याओं का दोष उन पे लगा हुआ था। लेकिन भगवान शिव जो है मोक्ष के दाता है। भगवान शिव अंतिम अवस्था में जन्म मृत्यु के बंधन से जो मुक्त करते हैं वो भगवान शिव है। उनकी आराधना के बिना कोई भी व्यक्ति जन्म मृत्यु के बंधन से मुक्त नहीं हो पाता है। तो भगवान शिव ने एक छोटी सी लीला रची पांडवों को दर्शन देने के लिए कि पंच केदार में के रूप में जो है केदारनाथ में भगवान शिव का पृष्ठभाग है। मध्यमहेश्वर में भगवान शिव की नाभि का दर्शन पांडवों ने मध्यमहेश्वर में किया और तुंगनाथ में भुजाओं का दर्शन भगवान शिव ने पांडवों को दिया। तत्पश्चात इस दिव्य धाम रुद्रनाथ धाम, यहाँ पर भगवान शिव ने पांडवों को मुखारविंद का दर्शन दिया था। धीरे धीरे उनको जन्म मृत्यु के बंधन जो उनके थे, जन्म मृत्यु के जितने भी दोष उनके थे वो सब मिट गए। तत्पश्चात कल्पेश्वर में जाकर के भगवान शिव ने पांडवों को अपनी जटाओं का दर्शन दिया। इस क्षेत्र का नाम वैसे औषधि प्रस्थ भी है। यहाँ पर काफ़ी प्रकार की औषधियाँ स्वयं ही उग जाती हैं। भगवान शिव की ऐसी दया दृष्टि, ऐसी कृपा दृष्टि इस क्षेत्र पे है कि विचित्र विचित्र जड़ी बूटियाँ जिनके दिव्य दिव्य प्रयोग हैं, लेकिन अज्ञानता के कारण अभी उस पर ना तो किसी प्रकार का शोध हुआ और न ही किसी प्रकार के अभी तक परिशोधन की कोई व्यवस्था की गई है। इसलिए ये क्षेत्र बड़ा संवेदनशील भी है, धार्मिक रूप से भी, वैज्ञानिक दृष्टि से भी और आध्यात्मिक दृष्टि से भी।
धन्यवाद पंडित जी।
Now I am ending with this vlog with this Maggie. Since 5:30 we didn't had our breakfast, so the darshan are done. I feel really fortunate that I have completed the entire journey, the entire trek. Why I'm saying I'm fortunate is because there were many people who had given up in between. They thought they won't be able to do. But I think whenever you come to such a place, whenever you want to take the blessing of God, you need to have some little motivation in you, some willingness in you that yes, you can do it. And one thing I've observed that whenever you go to such place, there is an instant energy that keeps you going. That yes, you have to complete it. At least you need to complete the journey for which you have come from such a long distance. So that's all for this vlog. I hope you really liked it. And please comment below which part did you really like the most and which part you not even like the most. I really appreciate the criticism as well. So bye bye, take care and peace out.